Text, LG washer.
Troubleshooting an OE error code on an LG front-load washer.
An LG washer and dryer in a laundry room. A man tosses clothes into the washer, then presses a button. Text, intro, troubleshooting, more info.
LG makes it easy to diagnose problems with your front-load washer, should you run into any issues.
The washer drum rotates. On the LED display, a code reads PE, then E6.
If an issue occurs, the washer is programmed to communicate diagnostic messages, displayed as codes that can assist you or a technician in getting the unit back to optimum performance.
The code changes to OE.
If you are seeing an OE error code on your LG washer's display panel, this indicates that the water is not draining properly.
A hand unplugs the cord.
The first thing to do is unplug the unit from the power outlet.
Straightens the hose behind the washer.
Check that the drain hose is not bent, kinked, or twisted.
Opens a small panel in the lower left corner of the washer.
Then check for foreign objects or material in the drain pump filter. To do this, first place some pans nearby to catch the draining water.
Removes the plug. Water drains into the pan below.
Note that if you have not cleaned the drain pump filter for some time, there could be quite a bit of water, so be sure to have the pans ready. LG recommends cleaning the filter every few weeks. Open the drain pump filter cover on the bottom left front of the washer, and remove the plug from the manual drain hose to drain the remaining water. When the water is drained, recap the hose with the plug and put it back in place. Do not place the hose too deep into the unit. Then turn the handle of the drain filter cap to the left and pull it out to remove the filter. Clean the drain pump filter with a small brush, such as a toothbrush. Then reinsert the filter and turn the drain filter cap all the way to the right.
Turns the dial to tub clean.
After cleaning the drain pump filter, it is recommended to run a few tub cleans back to back using a tub cleaner.
Text, lg.com/support. Logos for Twitter, Facebook, and icons for chat, email, and telephone.
For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the lg.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographic errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending on its model, your product may differ in appearance from the product shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes, the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact lg.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced, in whole or in part, without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2022 LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company Limited. Any other company names, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.